Something huge just happened in the world of robotics. Unitree, the Chinese company behind the G1 Humanoid and those incredibly fast AI robot dogs, has unveiled a full-size humanoid robot called the R1. And get this, it's priced at just $5,900. That's unheard of for a humanoid. Not tens of thousands, not limited research access. This one is available to anyone. You can literally go online and order it today. That's a big deal. So let's dive into what makes it so remarkable. First, what can this robot actually do? The R1 is not some fragile demo model that barely moves unless it's tethered to a lab wall. It walks, runs, balances, performs cartwheels, flips onto its hands, and even delivers a kung fu kick if you ask nicely. And here's the kicker. It doesn't rely on complex scripts or hard-coded instructions. It uses real-time AI-powered voice recognition, built-in cameras for visual input, and can engage in basic conversations. There's even a remote control, so if it starts acting a little too ambitious, you can shut it down immediately. The R1 isn't small either. Standing at 165 centimeters tall, about 5'5", and weighing 25 kilograms or 55 pounds, it's roughly the size of a teenager. But don't let that fool you. This is no lightweight toy. It's built with industrial-grade components designed for strength, precision, and flexibility. Every element, from its actuators to its outer frame, is engineered for performance. It moves with balance and control, whether walking over uneven terrain, flipping mid-air, or recovering after a fall. This mobility comes from 26 degrees of freedom, 26 fully functional joints across its body. Movement is possible in the ankles, knees, hips, waist, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and neck, all independently controllable, giving the R1 a full range of motion that is eerily human. To put this in perspective, Unitree's larger industrial model, the H1, costs over $90,000. Yet here comes the R1, operating on similar technology, capable of flips and voice commands for under $6,000. For comparison, Tesla's Optimus hasn't even hit production yet, though Elon Musk is targeting a price under $20,000 once mass production scales. Other humanoid robots, like Apptronik's Apollo, Boston Dynamics Atlas, Agility Robotics Digit, or Figure 02, are priced significantly higher. Atlas is around $100,000. Digit can reach up to $250,000 depending on configuration. Even more affordable open-source options like Hope Jr. function more as community projects than fully operational products. The R1 completely shifts the conversation on pricing. And it's not just cheaper, it works. It's agile, balanced, responsive, and honestly impressive for the price. Unitree has also been clear about who this robot is for. It's not only for robotics labs or automotive factories. This isn't a prototype destined to sit on a conference stage. It's designed for developers, tech enthusiasts, research teams, and even schools. And yes, everyday people can buy one too. You don't need to be a corporation or a university with $1 million grant. All that's required is a solid reason and $6,000. People are already imagining what they could do with it. It might greet visitors in a hotel lobby, assist with educational programs in schools, or serve as a lightweight research assistant in universities. Some see bigger possibilities: home assistants, elder care support, personal companions, entertainment bots. None of these applications are fully realized yet, but the potential is clear. The R1 could help someone reach a high shelf, respond to voice commands, or simply offer company with basic conversation. And when friends come over, it could even perform a backflip for fun. It's not folding laundry yet, but the gap is closing fast. The bigger picture here isn't just price or features. It's the cultural shift the R1 represents. For decades, humanoid robots existed mainly in science fiction, labs, and the occasional expo demo. Now, one could literally be standing next to your router at home. You're not just reading about it, you're living with it. That changes the conversation. When robots enter daily life, questions arise about safety, etiquette, utility, privacy, and companionship. Unitree acknowledges this. They've issued disclaimers reminding users that the R1 is powerful, potentially risky, and not a toy. Keep a safe distance, avoid dangerous modifications, and understand its limits. The manual emphasizes responsible use. Despite its friendly appearance, the R1 packs serious hardware. It demands the same caution you'd use with any powerful machine. The timing of this release is strategic too. Unitree has filed initial documentation with Chinese regulators, an early step toward going public on the mainland stock exchange. If all goes as planned, they could become China's first pure-play humanoid robotics company to go public. That adds significant weight to the R1 launch. This is a serious initiative, part of a broader vision. Unitree aims to dominate the entry-level humanoid robot market, much like Xiaomi disrupted the smartphone industry years ago. The comparison fits. Xiaomi didn't just offer cheap phones, it made technology accessible to millions. The R1 is doing the same for humanoid robots. It's the first real humanoid robot under the $6,000 psychological barrier. Not a gimmick, not a stripped-down version. It's the full package. Real legs, real arms, real AI. Real functionality. Of course, it's not perfect. You get about 1 hour of runtime per charge, requiring manual recharging or battery swaps. It's not babysitting children or cooking dinner yet. But the key is this. It's no longer a lab experiment. It's a fully functional product ready for use, play, and development. And that's why this feels like more than just another tech launch. It's a milestone, a threshold. All right, that's it for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, leave a like if you found this useful, and of course, I'll see you in the next one.